Hi friends, and welcome back to another Heffy Doodle card tutorial. And today we'll be creating with the Llamazing Llamas. I'm also using one of the images from Yappy Happy Mail, the Stitched Birthday Trio frame dies, and the Zig Chevron dies. Now let's do some coloring together. I've already stamped and colored a bunch of images from the Llamazing Llamas set. I'm showing you how to color one of the llamas. This set is so adorable with all the different llamas and all the different images you can use to build your scene. I chose to limit myself a little with the color scheme. This usually helps to create a coherent look. For the llama's face, ears and legs, I'm using E50, E51 and E53. I always add a rosy cheek using E93. For the fur, I'm using warm grays. Whenever I want something to look white, I usually start to color down from the number 3 marker down all the way to the 00 marker. I'm using my lightest marker to place these half moons all around the body of the llama. This is to make him appear a little bit more woolly. Next, we get to the highlights using a jelly roll marker. And that finishes our coloring for today. Next, we are creating a background. I cut a card base that was slightly smaller than the standard A2 size. I used the Zig Chevron dies to create a fun pattern matching the colors of my coloring in 5 different colors. At this point, I realized I was one of the smallest borders short, but because I would be covering up my panel with the Stitched Birthday Trio anyway, it didn't really matter. I use my scissors to cut off the overhanging paper strips. As you can see, this die set will be suitable for both a landscape as well as a portrait card. And how awesome is that result? Off screen, I used some white paint to create some splatters on my panel. Next, I adhered the frame using some foam tape. I'm using one of the cutouts from the A2 birthday trio dies, and I'm cutting a little floor for my llama to stand on using one of the slopes from freshly cut grass. Now it's time to put together our scene. I've cut all my images using the coordinating dies, and I'm adhering everything with a combination of foam tape and liquid glue. This scene turned out so cute and beautiful, and I love how it fits the background perfectly. The last step is of course to add a sentiment. For this I'm using the Hello Shadow Heffy cuts. I really love the Shadow Heffy cuts. These smaller ones are available in about 10 different words or phrases. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a card tutorial up every weekend, and I'll see you again in a month. Bye!